All right, Math 8, this is our homework for tonight. This is a fraction review sheet. This is how to convert these improper fractions into mixed numbers. To convert an improper fraction to a mixed number, you divide. Okay, you're going to divide. All right, so this is how this works. We're going to divide here. So I'm going to divide. Okay, I got the top number goes inside. This is my dividend. Divisor is going to be my denominator. It goes on the outside. That's my divisor. 5 goes into 8 one time. That's 1 times 5. Here, when your remainder is going to be your numerator. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So 3 is your remainder. So we got 1 and 3 as my numerator. 5 is the denominator. It stays the same. Okay, so we're going to do this one. We're going to divide. Okay. Your numerator is your dividend. Your denominator is your divisor. Okay. How many times will 7 go into 18? Twice. 2 times 7 gives me 14. The remainder here, is 4. So 4 is going to be your numerator. So this 2 is my whole number. My remainder is 4. So 4 is my numerator. My denominator stayed the same. That's 7. Okay. All right. Let's do this one. Divide. How many times will 5 go into 11? Because it won't go into 1, but it will go into 11. It'll go twice. 2 times 5 is 10 with 1 left over. Bring down the 4. 5 goes into 14 2 times again. 2 times, that gives me 10. 4 is the remainder this time. Remember, your whole number is 22. That's your whole number. Your remainder is going to be your numerator, and your denominator stays the same. Okay, so first you're going to divide. Okay, after you divide, you write your whole number. Okay, write whole number. Your numerator, your remainder is going to be the numerator. Whatever the remainder, is the numerator. Denominator stays the same. Okay, so divide, you write your whole number, okay? Whatever your remainder is going to be the numerator, the denominator stays the same, okay? Here's already a mixed number. You just need to, oh, actually, no, it's talking about this, so divide, okay? Because this is still an improper fraction here. Just whatever it is, add it to the 15, okay? So 6 goes into 2, it won't, but 6 goes into 28. 6 goes into 28 4 times. 4 times 6 is 24. Bring down the 0. How many times will 6 go into 40? 6 goes into 46 times. 6 times 6 is 36. 4 remaining. So we have our whole number is 46. So we're going to add 46 to 15 because that was the whole number that was already there. So this is 11. This is 6. So the whole number is 61. The remainder is 4. So 4 is your numerator. Your denominator was 6. It stays the same. Reduce it, okay? When you reduce this, you reduce the top and the bottom number, the numerator and denominator, by 2. So this is going to give you 2 over 3. So the answer here is 61 and 2 over 3. Okay? Let's look at the bottom, number 1. It says least common multiple. So let's list the multiples of the highest number. So the first multiple of 18. 18 times 1 is 18. 4 will go into 18, but not an even number of times without having a remainder. So we can't use 18 as the least common multiple. The second multiple of 18 is 18 times 2. And we can use, so this will go by a little bit faster. Look. Okay, so we got 18 times 2. That's 36. 4 will go into 36, okay, without a remainder. So 36 is the least common multiple here. It's 36. That's the smallest multiple. All right, so let's do 50 and 75. 75 is the highest number. So we're going to start with 75, okay? The first multiple of 75 is 75, all right? Okay. 50 will not go into 75 evenly. So now let's do 75. Look, 75 times 2. That's 150. 150, 50 will go into 150 three times. 50 times 3 is 150. So the LCM, the least common multiple between the two, is going to be 50. Okay, and so now you need to do 2 and 8. Okay. Let's do add or subtract. Look at this. Denominators are the same, and add the numerators. So that's going to give me 7. Okay? It's already reduced. Denominators are the same, 37. Denominators are the same. Subtract. So that's 40 minus 3. Look, 40 minus 3, 37. You see that? What's 37 divided by 37? 1. So 1 is your answer here. Okay? So now add these together, get your answer, and then subtract. When I add these together, oh, no, let me not do this one because it's the only one left in this section. All right? Find the common denominator. This is 7, this is 8, plus this is 3, this is 4. Okay? Common denominator for these, least common multiple, is going to be 8. What can I multiply times 4 to give me 8? 2. So I multiply the top by 2 to make an equivalent fraction. 2 times 3 is 6. What can I multiply times 8 to give me 8? 1. So I multiply 7 times 1 and get 7. Now I can add. My denominator stays the same. Add the numerators. 13. Okay? So 13 over 8. Okay, is going to be my answer. Now, I can simplify that by dividing. How many times will 8 go into 13? 1 time. Okay, when I subtract here, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5 is the remainder. So we're going to get 5 over 8. Okay, so now find the others. All right, if you have questions, just let me know. Have a good one, okay?